Using the figures 68%, 95% and 99.7% for within 1 standard deviation, 2 standard deviations and 3 standard deviations of the mean respectively, to find the following for the distribution: x is a normal with mean 100 and a standard deviation of 15. So the first one is 85 to 115. So if this is at 100 here, 85 is 15 down from that, and 115 is 15 up. So this is within 1 standard deviation. So straight away we can just say that that's 68%. 85 to 130. So what we now have is, this is going out to 130. So on this side we have 2 standard deviations. On this side we have 1 standard deviation. Now because of the symmetry, we can do a half of 68%, so this side would actually be 34%, and then a half of 95%. So that is 68 add 95 and divide that result by 2, gives us 81.5%. So now just greater than 145. So 145 is here, and that is 3 standard deviations from there. And we just want this little bit here. So we know that half of it is going to be 50% because of the symmetry. And then this bit must be a half of 99.7%. 99.7 within, so plus or minus 3. So that's going to be 50%, add a half of 99.7%. So 50 add 0.5 multiplied by 99.7 gives us 99.85%. Now this isn't the final answer. We were after the probability that is down here, and what I've just worked out is all of this stuff. So if we're given it as a percentage, 100 take away 99.85 gives us 0.15%. Now we have, let's just clear some space over here, the probability that x is greater than 145 given that x is greater than 130. So x is greater than 145 and x is greater than 130 divided by the probability that x is greater than 130. Now, just looking at this intersection, this is greater than 130, greater than 145, so clearly the overlap is just greater than 145. And we've just worked that out as 0.15. So, greater than 130. And that's 2 standard deviations. So this bit's 50% because of the symmetry. This bit here, we're using symmetry again, but within 2 standard deviations. It's got to be a half times 95. And this will be 100 take away 50, take away half times 95. So I've actually worked that one out up here already. 97.5, 100 takeaway answer, that one's 2.5. So this is 0.515 over 2.5. And I've worked that out already on the calculator. It's 0.06. This will be as a decimal, so we can say that's 6%.